Hello everyone, today we are going to reveal this new project which is different from our usual project because this is done in transitional style. So what is transitional style? It's a combination of two different styles, which is contemporary and art and deco. So when you enter the living room, the first thing that will catch your eye is the dining wall. There's a beautiful painting on the dining area. It looks like the entire decor of that area is just made to fit this particular painting, and that's my favorite art piece. Once you move in, you'll see a TV unit which has a book match tile, and that looks very classy. We have given a lot of molding elements in that particular area to make it look luxurious.
We want something which is very European kind of a taste, which is like simple, classy, but still very elegant. Something which we truly believed like less is more kind of a concept, you know. Supriya's approach was excellent in this because usually what happens is it's the interior designer who actually pitches her work, and usually that's the trend. But in Supriya's case, it was the other way around, where she said, what do you guys want? And I'm going to design a house as per your requirement and as per your aspirations.
So we have open kitchen here. So we have continued the color combination of the living room into the kitchen. Everything is neutral. There's only one popping tile which has nice print on it. And to continue the art and deco style in the kitchen, we have added the moldings on all the cabinet shutters. So in the living room, there's a storage which starts right from here till there. But you won't be able to make out that this is a storage because we have designed it in a way that it doesn't look like storage. So if you see in front of the kitchen, there is this cabinet where you can store all your groceries.
One of the main reasons that I really like and love my room is because of its colors. There are so many vibrant and bright colors here. So I feel that positive and good vibes in me. There's many places for storage, from toys to all the clothes. I really like to call my friends for a sleepover because finally I got my own space and room.
My favorite part is the wall of the dining area, which she gave a maroon color, maroon touch to it. And it's really different. I've never seen this color before, which attracts the maximum attention, yet very elegant and classy with the frame on it.
I think most part of the house we are very happy, and you can't really put one thing at a place that this is the best part, because every element what she's added in each bedroom I think has a story, has an essence to it.
So once you enter the master bedroom, the first thing that you'll see is this dressing area. And there's a lot of storage around without any handles, so you cannot make out which is the storage. So in the parents' room, there are very less colors that we have used. It's more of a white. Behind the bed, we have given a fabric headboard with bronze mirror as a focal point. And the wardrobe is very beautiful in this room because it is completely done in white lamination with metal details in it.
End result was superb. Like, I can say at the end that she converted our imagination into reality.
Very happy with the end of the product. When she delivered the house, it was an excellent result.
So if you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.